that time. You remind me in my dream of you who are beside me. Tell me to be strong, just hold me tightly. Need to feel your warmth, your arms around me, just to hear your voice. But we're out of harmony, your heartbeats out of rhythm, falling in and out of love constantly. I consciously I try to keep up with it, but it's not prom precisely. Cause we used to be one. Was I ever good enough for you to get so undone? No trust, just lies, there is no respect. Throw me hurtful words that cut deep down inside my chest. What happened to the need we had for each other? What happened to the love we felt for one another? To think, now I sit in my room quietly, silently let go of the thought as I fall asleep.
Don't come take another way. I've learned my mistakes, as if I could change without a man. Don't try to lie to yourself, I won't stay. We can't bring back tomorrow to start again.
After the fight, all that's left is broken. Just when I thought things couldn't get any worse, get worse. And I'm losing myself now in this world of emotions. How could I blame you if not me? Have awoken, so outspoken, stop all this pain. No, you cannot convince me. Can't you see the love I had for you is just not within me? I never gave up on you, it wasn't meant to be. This rage won't go away, it bleeds right through me. Pick me up, throw me to the ground, shatter me to pieces. Tell me if loving you wasn't a mistake for whatever reason. So hit me up, take on me, bring it up, let me be. Hurt me so much, away from you is where I ought to be. I run so far, so fast, my mind takes me to another place. I blink out as flashback, then I can't escape. Holding on to the thought I need to break free. I can't get over the feeling, I just want you to leave.
Don't come take another way. I've learned my mistakes, as if I could change without a man. Don't try to lie to yourself, I won't stay. We can't bring back tomorrow to start again.
I'm on my own, it's got a cold and dropped a few degrees. And the memories fade, we only live momentarily. Eventually a new beginning has to have an end. I believe in second chances, so much left to forget. I can't regret you though, I still got that one.